time nisi ayewa agbon me ire ma ya gbon won no igbina mo finitan e mo pa tamu me o iseko ya hu yi won na ke gwala o ri aya se metan wa da no bi o me ivie do we ni jiran irrespect no e no seven o wa respect is be irrespect e ma ya fefe ni remi jona ya fefe no la jawe star boy o ya mu me ro bi ero no ya ri e di video re and ibe down re ibe ro your on board o ma we mi no ma gba here day e do time mi no we mo sorry according to say when it is no igbina mo filito era me ge ajebo eyan agugun ajebo eyan agugun famo we godfather menu ever since igbina ni wa ya fe mi o the video ya fe ni u kan abi ma agwegun we like to let people know no don't bring this man down wa ya fe mi o e pa ajebo la we gui e won pa tamu menwa o te ko ya hu yi kedo ade we make call ye platform we o ma make a statement ni wege ikawe na gi change platform me na e pa ajebo we ka turn on ni mama ni if you ask where you are any man you are e no there tin aro awo we boy na ever since I call ye platform we last 3 years o mate e na man o ye ta go baseki ugbe wa we obaseki o ye godfather gugwa obaseki o no yoba no mu era a record no bada we o kagele emi no do va vevu when Ajebo ulaja won a platform uwe na do company and now it cannot be done agwa give no bateki give no ewuje edo osote onyo ba no won ya itama me uwe ni ade platform me ni do ta we give ya control we but here wa control me. When already order 49 years, I don't know that 59 years, I don't know. Epa, nitamawe, idigwe. Idigwe agbe uma. Ve do high. When I do miami gbe, we boy na, oka teme deji, ose wo baseki. Unya na do yogian do yas, una yigan, unya na do ya swebo ya fefe. Epa re a live life. Man gbogbo le government won mo ma yan hin when it time we know dey man wa gbogbo le government ari oba won wa they are hungry lion people when they support government when they clap and they follow government they are hungry lion. The last time when I share look at Africa Nigeria people, the people that based in Nigeria, they are not a tribal lot, they are not can pay follow or back circle. Now, they will say, I need trade Mugu people, some of them, not all, who say that they be family man according to their self. They have a wife and children in and too. Now, Europe, they did, or they can pay the follow Obaseki. They support Babati. Pikin, when he come, he say that they beat Papa, they beat him in Mama. The Pikin, they are say, wait here, that Pikin is a bastard Pikin. Obaseki carry our chief, everybody. Pack the enter court. Who want fat? If you wait our royal highness to come and speak to Obaseki. If you muja in a dogo Obaseki gwan. Where we were seeing Osegedo. Why the platform where you see most Osegene Edo? The day I see Osegenedo. The last time when I checked, we were almost about 1,000 viewers because Obaseki in Utah, your viewers is 33 viewers. When my young nigga get where no, a cassie ye can ahin. Uga me not tell what I'm aware, who won't bring money down, who won't mullet every day a live video. In a women go, in a live video if you don't hear call holiday. I for like not a public, not a call a live video. Well, we may go a live video, may call ye pajable. We may not be about 7 full. May not be about a laptop. e si doggy ke ni e maybe plan we me my call fe wa we ma ga me egbezo I try any settle wa we we kwe ona wu yen kwe e je no ika mejo ni me ye eyan ya so o mani ni mejo take very serious inya je yan ya survivor I will be the middle of two or three people but I go when na ni me depa obokpa ni me agbe enoke eyan me live gbe life ni pa imamo ebo aje social media because ebo wa so ya yan social media won egbe me yan ma do bu odo salobo yan e ma be na media we Facebook emi ni wa on me rock pa won I only come and make my content in Facebook and enters. Imagine Facebook more about Facebook in here do tea. Mommy get it to advice way. How you tell address me for your platform? Yes, it is very bad, pa. Stop it. Don't preach any way where you know get na real we see how where it to preach na ya emi no get. You know, get la jana the way tell to please ready me and say na say where you come out where why don't please here why don't please here or give me an mom here I me wan no mom pa anybody a mom where mom no we go gba your mom omo no igbare 2 years in e ra bi je ko ke e giro we ra giro vi je is a traveler omo bi omo no you 32 years when you like 33 years, you go to your mom, you get or that's it. Or make 20 years in one, or make 25 years in one. Or don't want, no one. I mean, no phone. In my affect my learning one, we have seen learning. Nobody's a perfect. People to not claim that you are the qualified human being. In all the whole world. No, nobody's perfect. Everybody have seen learning. When you will try to advise or help that people, the way they will answer your call in their live video said, they will just look you like I don't understand. Look at this, look at this small child. Look at the way he's talking to me at adult. You are an adult, I know, but behave as adult. A child can behave as adult. Adult can behave as a child. Yeah. According to you people call yourself you are a family man. You are an adult. You people do like adult things. Act like adult. Act as a family. Oh yeah, why so Ni oti na ya kona wa kwa pobo me wa ya lenu wa Facebook na ayu wa ya tin gbe. Ayiwa so ya tegbo me for you. What does that? Oba se kino onyoba, umula nya we na do aka apene. Iga o ma na obedire na everybody yeke. O wa mi ya me connection we nu agbaje, wa on. I wa ni. Wa do join oba se kito ya mu manaria. Wa na do wa ni. Akwe wala do wa ne na e pa jebo wana do wa hia ne ibe ka e mana ehi I ma e wan de wa do mo e governor no ma fi mabo e governor no yoba wa do mo fi mabo ko e we ogba ne we 59 years now other 49 years we jam and bu ne we do ogu we ne mana ni we wan de gima joy e life mo na to enjoy our life. I don't know government no my I don't move my boom. To when the government affairs or no or one. I'm not yet to insult you. The way you realize the video, you realize the man when you are talking to me, I know. What about Bunu you in me for Starboy? Offitan, oh, we been a moon. Memo been a mefitan. You what time my way clear and the video me. You might thought you were. If we give my brother a power, what me am as ni I should make no set children in no Orphanage if you were rock by river. I'm still telling that thing today. Why when you any man argue? Ni okay, why my arm as only a mama ni you see a fear. Ni agbewa. This is settled one why when why lala. Okay, ya ale lo mani kwani mi oni mi ni we uwa ame stress da ami. Imele luweku. When me ya tu we me ya chini no. When ya tu we wa edi me ya chini no. When ya tu we live do we public wa da me be do. Edi me ya chini no we a public. Why you want the not one now who want to take advantage of me? Okay, I will just be your only side. I will just be like, I will just do your only side. I'm mama here. 32 years. I'm mama, you know. What's soon? Well, we can't me do it. Why so I me Facebook man. Well, I me big eye. If I allow man my way, I make sure at all. I just call clear you my man. Fine, I call you my godfather before. This will come ukapele lo basekina. No your ba away godfather me la call. But I can fit take you as my elder brother. If your elder brother me why I give a labo you don't want say. Call now. Anybody no sick or baseki on your buy eating ya. When you are more sick man. If I will block you when for your information. If I your minister boy to my block you where we WhatsApp you with. Facebook we ya fe your friend we block you number we ya fe wipe your phone me je me ni yawo. If you do it am you are not my godfather, I don't have godfather. Osalo boy godfather me kekere me no re mi. If you bo me, but right here me ya fe vie ma wa. Ime godfather wala o. Awon yo buy in ya se kenije because o wa ni kenapa o we high me no. Imao if your happiness ya dia ewebo ima so table wa you guys bo ya bi wa we ya share ya bi na we yan gufun ya God forbid if yo wa wala happiness yi mu yo wa no ya bagba wo yan ba me gbin ya ewebo ma ya de Nigeria ma ya settle yi if you do ade gbe ya fe ya de ba me wo no ya do bagwe me do we mi down with Facebook iga ya yo wa ito so abiye ke hian o dawe ti yan fi o sege no wa agwegbe me gwan e to start with agwe wa me gwan agwe te me gwan agwe ra me gwan aguje me gwan bi aita because we yan ju me ya ve se na o ron pa no me di valose e dey stupid no because o ron pa na mo mi ajewe bo yan peye ebi me o wa ni yawo ni enije apeyo oro pa ni no se ni na zuo ni so now everybody with you for favor nobody won pa yan tema me go manu yan lele yan we no ti me wo wa go manu yan lele yan wo mu yan je we gbegbe won yin wede wa je me be webo wo ka na gbo ni nu yan do select we go manu yan lele yan go manu yan ko what does that oh man 1000 views. You may tell me about second now. Go and look at your views 33. Go and tell me about second no wune, no ya soon, no your back. Or when you are a platform in many do at time. How your bag you know now? We are on a metane. About second on your back. Umula dan when I do a campaign in big up second come out, make the vote for her. Where you go and check. What are we reaching for Obaseki work? After 8 years, other 4 years. 6 months to go. If now you are just strong, go yourself to do one of 3 things so that they will be say yes, you are doing well. The remaining 3 years when after back, what did you use and do? More help me out Ajepkako. Or got 3 years or 4 years, me Obaseki fair with. What did you use and do? You use and take pack money and task. You want to use 6 months, how they do at those states. How many local government we get? How many 36 states we have? When you want to use what can they do? Obi mumu, I go school. I know this stupid too. As my park go school, I say 3 or we won't be true. I say 3 or 4 school. This is why I look for my stubbornness. What does that? Who are you or who is she? Go to her to go and burn to ashes. Doctor. As part you are not into my explanation. You are not into my economy. You are not into my motivator. You think that I become a bad down you? To come and be a slave to you? Am I hungry lion like you people? Who praise the Obaseki, Bo and abroad? I'm not stupid. Because for Obaseki, I will go and bought a ticket. I'm going to Nigeria to go and campaign for Obaseki. Am I a useless family like that? Am I a hopeless family like that? That money, I will use it to help the rest village. Yeah. I'm not a stupid. I know what I'm doing. If I'm live video, people will just take me to granted. Maybe this one don't have a job. If everybody people will just saw for live video to be embarrassed, to be insult, just because I call on your live video, you want to bully me there, you want to bring me down there. Epa, you cannot fit. I'm the really original star boy, no Igbo made. Any Malay star boy, that all those one is Igbo made. Okay, you can't fit. I'm just telling you the truth as my elder brother. What you are doing is not good. Don't side Obaseki. Obaseki have costed users in Edo State. Our youth who go down and just sad. You saw it. Which is you have connection with Obaseki then. Maybe Obaseki don't bribe Unana. Obaseki if you go near and phone. If Obaseki give una money, make una date, he miss it also all the people they hungry like that. What is on it? You want to make a work for your platform. I felt ten I say me not the call for my platform. If you felt them say me not the call for your platform, if I not the life for my head. If I not the life for my head, they are the life for me. I'll be the red presenter. When una just form word, una just go put for your back. People call they use until they mob the presenter, they look and say you read one. If I ever call you one, you call me say I'm a star boy, not call for my live video again. Past yesterday, when I tell you, say not the campaign, they give Obaseki again. You know good. Not be you take talk. Not be you can't talk. You fair talk hyper. Maybe they talk truth. No, I do. I give my do. I feel like on Bugwa. I respect Bugwa. What talk? Be what anyone so. So I die. When I told they lie. When I just carry small picking. When I just lie for a year. When I get to now picking. If I lie for na picking, now like her. Why like her? That told you if you like why like her. We can't tell you make it change a live injury weapon. Emi numa kata ata we eruta mame lao. Walao, wawe ma make bezo wa settle egbo I don't care. Men on Facebook I'm give me ade station na. Ti me mai le yan. Ti me zo with man ai mule le court. Ate go met die bomb me nuwa. Why so? Why have me big carry Facebook so that why get ya lati. Ni ya koketo e cut ya like cut here. Why you cut we bo why you be Nigeria? Agbon why dey ni. Una go cut for Nigeria. Una still go cut for all Europe. That one a life again. Look at people na life like they see dey. Which is their job old problem. Yes, anybody when they go cut for Nigeria. You not dey Nigeria, you dey Europe. You dey send your people they go case. They go court. You will see dead, you will see they go court. You are a foolish human being. Let us tell the truth. Let the truth set us free. Rubbish. Chazi. C'est quoi tout? Mishkaba. Fankolo the mental castle. Zebiri. Hey, witch killer. If you damn, why so quite a Facebook now that way, mama in my head go. Now I be big with our chair. What taking my granted was Zoema. Who are we? Me only me monetize. What do I want me monetizing? Eh, me Ramon, just see what you are with the one. What my camera your my way? Near do it here. What does that? Oh my what ma who are who I swear. If I just tell you truth, you just hate the person. You don't want to get truth from anywhere. Your will be done. What you will say for your platform will be done. Only you will be done. If you believe your man, you get step back when they back you up. Everybody get their own step back. Now some people pay their own price down to start with. Beggy. When I respect to myself, I respect to myself. As me, they man not there too. That's how you see they control my own. Because everybody they wacko. Nobody may not they wacko. No, not to say now of my part. When I call they use on family matter they deceive still go for social media India. The still go who dey responsible pass una. The still go not dey under woman. The still go only one I get investment. You as call yourself a family man, look at you without woman, you can't do anything. They are not the shame and the grace. Maybe they talk truth. Mona they put comment, mona share the video. The time. Okay, they buy me. Okay, go me roll over man. Imamo koyowa. Imamo koyowa. Okay, they buy me. Okay, they go me. Okay, pay a B me. Wọ́n pa imure. Èmi sọ me re do we life now. Iya forfeit èmi sọ me o sa iya re kinu sa o sa lo ba meji. Mo pa we re kinu sa lo ba meji. E wọ́n ma gbe ba lege. Ma na te Emmanuel. Wa ele TV cho cha wa ya ge. Abi ma na te Emmanuel de ninu wa wo hin. Wa be ni na wa mwere mu e no mo Emmanuel. Anybody na tell Emmanuel na wa go a research here wa ya cover me. O ma je no ma ni ogu wa ni ke a lifestyle you different in ogu wa ni ke to wa man. Iya matter or late. Ma be me dal ma be gbegbo yi. Oni Emmanuel God will eat us. E ma tanyanta. But ma tell ma tan iya do a ma. Iya do a bully ma. Iya do a temi nero an gbe iya do a ri no temi nero me gbe ri eyo won ni wa gbesu wa. Cut it where I drove a weapon, a cut it where I drove in Nigeria. Argument supreme over Abuja straight ahead. Wow, so why so you want to be alleged? A part about the talk say in fair allow me no say man not the call for a live video. A part which time you take talk and go play the video when you take talk and last time come plan give the word. It go make that the talk truth. Make don't they lie. Don't they lie. Active be talking. Let me say if you not put my you not see viewers, you not go monetize, you not go pay you. Me call you now a life for your body. Now wait till you talk for your life, you now see the tell people here. Who comes sit down, can't listen, go to really think who right or who wrong. Basically, he will sort your father, draw your father to court. You will go and play with that guy somebody again. If Obaseki don't give una money, make una eat. It means say na so everybody be. And why I tell you Jawe war? Now everybody when you come abroad, now you're deal place. Now everybody when you come this Europe, now you deal place, my people. Now everybody when you come Europe, now you're deal place. Now I don't get direction. Now I don't get now I don't get do back. Now everybody like that. Who try set like that? He say a woman, I won't come bring her up like that. You will let her remain there. That's why some women go they beat them. Me not go talk, me go they happy. Women are God bless you now. All the OC go more that squad. Both the women in the husband, the diaspora and God bless you now. Any man, mona they feel like this, me not they talk true. If he talks to now, make one agree, but mona not pull a giver. Make one your career, mona they beat them. Before I go give them leg, open leg, I'm gonna give them one condition. Now no the condition when they give them. I started the man, he do place. Go not go, come not come. Now woman, now be life. When they give them condition. If they come, when I tell you that one picking, make them go back from. Yeah, what we man, who bow your own, who we are better now, what about me picking? If any man come away. Picking when I say girl, when I send a message, say that man message me go the bathroom. If they bring me a tell man say you carry they go school. If the man come out tell me enter kitchen, make it cook. If not they do like that, me I go the praise una. Una know why? I want to praise una because why? The man now has a day because he not get out. I wish he get out. Una for go sit down here for you hours. You for see they send a message like that. My wife. Now so now. As he come meet you now, you not get out. When they send a message, they need to go message for now. They need to fetch water for now. They need to go market for now. They need to. Una born give them. Una know what be picking. Women, una they try. Man they carry belly they reach 9 months. Man they carry belly they reach 1 week. Women carry belly reach 9 months. Give some useless men. Don't see the women for us, say they're not good. Woman, when you don't born pikin give you, wait till you fit invest for life, everlasting. When you take stand, nobody will feel last way again. Whether you find you not find, you not get more on it. Woman give you that kind of thing. You come and say that man, you not good. Now not know value of women. Some men. People don't have value. Now don't know value of women. Like some single mother, not the blame them. I know that time I'll be the saga single mother. When I find me that year, I go the saga single mother. Because there's some way some people come they do. When I come check, not be their fault. They desire to just be that single mother. You know me say the purposely doing. God not go blame the put. Marriage when you date, you not get rest of man. Or you have to go commit suicide to go by yourself because say you don't born there. You don't more. Because pikin, you don't me, man. Because pikin, you go die, your pikin will still there alive. Your pikin go marry tomorrow, go they born. You don't go, your family don't lose you. The better leave that man. Who they pay, he put money for your head, return their private price, give the family. Return it, go need the neck bugger. You want baby allege. It be mess of who some of our men, they are very useless. They're not even supposed to have a child womb. They're useless. I want call them more day now. Me want use the thing monetize this my page now. I just quiet ever since. What I just dislike person and now they turn back again. Rubbish. Who na help? Who na they feed? They man what they right now? They man what they right now? Who na they feed for the Europe now? That's the sick corner now. Who na not go happy? Who na they crave? No, now we call it a phone and you call it a iPhone. No, I be where a Samsung, you know. I be to tell I be your phone on it will make a cotton. A iPhone ya where to man on one. They go away, man. A very river. Near a tablet in a when a iPhone, not a tablet. A laptop very well. 2 weeks while one here tea. Oh, Mama, we are making a Ugo. Who be on my Nigerian argument? Oh, man, governor. We are beyond a governor when he will do a party bottom man on one. You will not tell again. We are here or to our control way. I remain not getting on my walk. Why no why? Why worry? I worry. Who's up the Mokpana? I already know you so. Who's up the Mokpana on our yea? I don't already know you so. I don't already know you so. If you don't know about here, oh, yeah, you know, Zuoni. Ẹgbẹ̀rún ẹ̀wà gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ gẹ̀mẹ̀ náà òwe àsọtẹ́ bẹ̀yàn ajé wọn wé Facebook yan ni ọmọ àná tó máa gbìnà náà nù wọn bí àwọn yàrá dùn ẹ̀ẹ́mẹ̀rẹ̀ mi àgbọ̀n ó sọ adé náà ènìyàn agbóhùn ẹ̀hún mẹ́bí ọmọ ayé ọ̀fẹ́ǹdì wẹ́ ó dò wẹ́rẹ́ òyà débà ó yan ọba ìmádò gbìnìgbìnà ni dẹ́gbẹ́ ènìyàn ọdún ẹ̀. When you love Baseki, why you calling Obama? You will block one. If you know you are capable for Obaseki, you are Obaseki squad. And me start by telling you Obaseki is element of palace. As a Pajabo tell me yesterday for a live video, I can't talk from my platform. And they let you people they know Obaseki is enemy of palace. A Pajabo, you the yara? Says the quarto. Capito, visto, e Pajabo. Capisci, tu parli italiano? French Dutch? You don't speak Dutch, e Pajabo, you dey yeah? Obaseki is enemy of palace. Let me they tell you now. So that if you the cape for now, not the cape for now again. Because the people when me they look say that the cape they follow Obaseki, now enemy of palace, now me they look them. Those kind of people, they not fit come my number. Me not fit them for live video. The best when Obaseki break come, I want to win that post. Me go see him. If you don't win every day by you go to bust anything they drink. Say yes, I mean no. They're not going to win now. People cannot win it. Who now go block everything. The youth get up for you people. We fight the battle, we fight the war. Soldier go, soldier come, barak remain the same. Rubbish, shazi. Frabora to the body. Sally Kono. Just a quarto. Look at that would my be. Look at that. Look at that. Person just say me. Person just quiet. No, I just talk to all those people. They just find trouble. They work one way to another. Where they breed the person mad come out. And when they don't say the person come out for other, their body not go resist them. Either they don't find the trouble, they'll come enter us. They don't come answer you. You cannot find my trouble and run away. You will come answer me. That is me for you. That is we will say saga continue. You just boo me for my platform. You will just boo me for your platform. When you don't say me get platform, me not go come my own. Who don't me they go work self, that money big. No na carry go one day money not go kill my enemy. Many days ahead. What does that? As about to day work now, not go at day. I just by your tell the lie say I'm not this strong like that. This strong. I get good head. I call this video. Rubbish. Una look me like who they see to go they fuck me. Now look me like who they see to go they fuck me. Man, hey, I go. All my fans, all my viewers, and God bless you. I will not tell the measure. Please don't share this video. When I know why I bring this video call here. Not be today, part about they do this thing. If you call and go like to break you down for your platform. But if us una go be friend, una supposed to think for what I tell una so. If you call out for live video, you know everything you want to talk for that live video. All those that if you are they not go like them, he go like to bounce you out. And I be the truth. No, the viewers they understand they like them. And maybe you to say they not come. I don't know I want to take come. You like to quit and end your call. Use all that will take cover. But if other person come, hey, because I don't like this side, you'll be comfortable, take and so on way. Now, so you want to do the election. Now, so you want to do select people. Oh, you the can pay for all. Oh, your of Edo State. Oh, your now you the can pay, they follow. Obaseki. Where an amigo de call and gay. Obaseki when an amigo de call gay. Now you the can pay for. A pajabo. Our man. Ah! Oh, damn it. Damn it, baby. Who y'all talk now? Small picking. Small picking. Small picking. Oh, yeah, small picking. Small picking. He follow Libya road. He pass Haba. He pass Korodu. He pass Agadet. He pass Etonu. He call it Tripoli. From Tripoli, he got small picking got continue without no food, no water. For all those journeys, small picking as you they call. You will be family man. You will take that kind of risk. You as a family man. You are a family man as you call yourself. Woman, everything there with you. Can you try it? But you they cost more picking when you try now. From there, you can't enter Libya. More picking when they cost more picking. Can't see do it is for Libya. You can't enter Italy. More picking. If they call us more picking, you come out for Italy. You enter Germany. Small picking, you they call him small picking. He's from Germany. He come out, he enter Spain. Small picking, you they call small picking. He from Spain come out, he enter Belgium. You they call me small picking of your hand. Small picking. If from Belgium, come on, you enter Austria. Small picking of your hand, of your no, to your hand, or now walking on. To man on. If from that, it can't laugh for all long. Small picking, when they come you? Small picking. Where Piamolo say 32 years in argument, minister boy, ye pa. In a small picking. Where Piam 32 years there? Or say, Becca told the Nina do it for your booby, you are only auto. Almost what you are, what you are over your hand. At one, we are here, pepe. Watching out of your hand. Why call it a mess if you want to read where I call you over million one for? He, be a baggy no, you know why no, why call it that so? Tell me a video. Both way, I know where then, or it about a wire chair of your huh? What man to of your huh? Nick money when you wait for any wet book as soon. Well, once I was Zagba Zemi in what